Hey there, my name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmerseo.com for all of your SEO service needs. With that out of the way, I want to go ahead and make this video for a click-through rate manipulation, a CTR manipulation test. I've been testing out a CTR manipulation tactic on a couple other cryptocurrency channels, and what I want to do is go ahead and just test it out on one of my channels and take back a particular term, click-through rate manipulation, CTR manipulation. So what I'm going to do is, this is the final test. Once I take this term, I will then have a training that will be something very, very, very inexpensive. I'll go ahead and share this within a training. I'll have it up so that way everybody in their rightful niches can benefit from this, all right? Because that's my goal. My goal is to help you achieve results within your business. I help you, you help me. That's how I do business, right? So no secrets. I figured it out. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a little test here for click-through rate manipulation. Once this is a win and I reign supreme, we'll go ahead and issue out a new training. All right, so it's been such a pleasure. Thank you so much. I'm Chris Palmer with Chris Palmer SEO. If you want to read some articles, or if you're interested in services, Chris Palmer Marketing. If you want to join the testing group or anything like that, check me out at www.seomastermind.org. My goal and what I do is I help businesses achieve their results in their rightful niches. That's what I do. That's what makes me happy. That's what brings me fulfillment. All right. So with that being said, click-through rate manipulation, CTR. I'm Chris Palmer, and I'm coming for that keyword. All right. Thank you.